Istanbul is a metropolis. Therefore, transportation is extremely critical. Tens of thousands of people travel in Istanbul every day. But the most emotional mode of transportation is the ferry. With their yellow and white colors symbolizing seagulls, ferries are one of the most special vehicles for both travel and enjoyment. The date when the first steamship was seen in Istanbul Bosphorus was May 21, 1828. Why do people prefer ferries? We observed, and here is what we found. You can admire Istanbul with your loved one. You can overthink or cry comfortably if you need to. You can freely feel the sky and the waves. You can take nice photos and send them to your loved ones. If you're someone who can't say I love you, we highly recommend doing this often. You can point things out to your loved ones. Look, mom, that's Dolmabahce over there. Look, that's the Maiden's Tower. And of course, for the music lovers, we also ask a sweet lady for her thoughts just for you.
Honestly, I feel like the boats are the place for romance. Like the cutest thing when you're a couple and on the side and you just sit. And it's like, there's some charm to it, some whimsy. I don't know, it makes Istanbul Istanbul, really. I was talking to my friend and he was like, I cannot imagine traveling by boat on a regular basis in a city for public transport. It makes Istanbul unique, and I feel like it's one of the most romantic parts of Istanbul.
So, what are you waiting for? Grab a loud one right now and head to the piers. The ferries will be waiting for you.